Hello, today I talk about Schneider PLC communication Siemens SCADA software WinCC. First, we create PLC in the Unit Pro Excel. When start button, stop button is one light. It's on after 2 seconds, net 2 is on. Okay, just link like on, off, okay. I create a program in the Unit Pro Excel. It's called EcoStruxure Control Expert. Okay, it's start, stop button, it's translator, it's timer, it's light 1 is on. After 2 seconds, net 2 is on. Okay, let's start. Here, okay, we can use. Okay, it's okay. We just build. Okay. Is PLC, we just the simulation. Is connect. Then transform project to PLC. Okay. Transform. Confirm. Okay, running. That's it. We can testing. Look. Start. Look here. On, off, off, off. Okay. Now I want to use WinCC. Okay. Now I want a connection to the WinCC SCADA. Let's start. If you want to connection WinCC, first we use OFS. It's Schneider OPC software. Okay. We start. We can create PLC test. Okay, we choose, we delete this one. Okay, we choose TCP/IP 127.0.0.1. Okay, so here we device which I use Modicon 340. Here I use 340. Okay, save. Okay, we start service. Here is running. Here is running. Yeah, we can go to OFS client. I choose Schneider Alt OFS. Create new one. Group. Choose add item. Yeah, we can see here. We choose this one. Add. Okay. Close. Is working. Yeah. Here is always working. So here we open WinCC. Okay, we open. Go to here. We tag management. We add a new driver. We use OPC. So here, system parameter in here. Okay, wait. Here he can find all the OPC service. Local he find here. We just use OFS Schneider old OFS. Okay, click browse servers. Next, we find here. Here we choose all the stuff. Add. Yes. Okay. Finish. That's it. So we can find here. Yeah, is a tag net 1, net 2, start, stop. Just transfer to the WinCC. Okay. We can create photo design. We use button. It's 2 buttons, start, stop button. Start. Oh, font. Oh, it's okay. Side, okay. Duplicate. Stop. Okay. Then click here. Oh no. Property. Here is already. Go to events. Go to mouse. Click release left. 1 tag. Start. Stop. Oh, this is 0. Oh, sorry, it's wrong. No, it's press left. Here is 1. Tag. Start. Here is release left. 0. Start. Okay. Stop. Press left. this night 1. We go to Property, Effect, Global Color. This no. Okay, in this color, go to Background, right click, Dynamic Diagram, Body. You can use green, blue, or red. Okay. Title the night 1 or this night 1. Okay, check. It don't work. Is up on the chair. Okay, that's it. It's the same thing. Okay, you save. So we can try. Okay. No. Changing color. So we can stop. Okay, we can try other side. The color of the same thing is the background color. We can use blue. No, we use green. Okay. Blue. Green. Okay, we can try. Save. Okay, start. Oh, yeah. You start. Start. Oh yeah, we should need to change. We use off, time off, cut, off. Here. Okay. 2 seconds. Okay. All the same thing. We try rebuild. Okay. Connection. Transfer to project. Okay. Running. Now we can try it. Save. So we start. Yeah, start. Oh, yeah. After second. Oh. Yeah, that's it. Okay. Let me show you. Unit Pro is the EcoStruxure Control Expert communication with WinCC. Okay, thank you very much.